Hello, this is the third session in this series of learning technical drawing applications. We now start with line work. I have to say one more thing once again, that the clip should never be kept on the left side where there is a working edge. No clip should be kept here. The clip should always be kept here, and there is a button here, so either it should be on this side of button or this side of button. In between, the clip will not fix. Moreover, when you start drawing anything, either vertical line or horizontal line, the edge of the small portion of the T-scale should always be touching the straight edge of the border, and then you have to move. Even when you are using the set square, this should be touching here, and this edge should be always touching, and then only you should draw the line. Then the line will be perfectly vertical or perfectly 45 degree. If this is not touching properly here, if it is like this or like this, then you will not get proper vertical line or proper 45 degree lines. Okay, now one more thing. As I said last time, this type of arrows are not allowed and it should not be drawn at all. The arrows should be very small. I hope that you have filled up the entire column with light, medium and dark lines here. The arrow lines half column and dotted lines or hidden lines half column. We go for the next type of line, and that is center line. In the center line, medium dark line, a long line of 12 to 15 millimeter, 1 mm gap, short line of 3 to 4 mm, 1 mm gap, long line of 12 to 15 millimeter, 1 mm gap, short line of 3 to 4 mm, long, short, again long line, short line. All lines medium dark. Not very dark. With 1 mm gap in between every line. One long and one short. Long line will be 12 mm to 15 mm. Fill up half of the column up to here. Fill up this detail. Then there is one more type of line, that is called a broken line. Again medium dark. Draw a line, leave some gap of about 7 to 10 millimeter. Draw a line, leave a gap of 7 to 10 millimeter, and then here give a symbol like this. This is called a broken line. Now I'll write down the names of this light line. Is known as line for projection, or construction. Medium dark line is dimension line. The dark line is called as a object line. These are dimensions. This is center, and these are known as a dotted line or hidden line. This is broken line. So these are the varieties of line that you have to learn and draw, and it will be throughout your 2 years of course that you will require this type of lines. So please learn it carefully. Now for whatever space is remaining from the top margin line, leave 10 millimeter gap, measure 10 mm and make a dot here and make one dot here 10 millimeter and draw one very light line, extremely light line in the balance available space. Then measure 8 millimeter here, 8 and 8 here, and draw another very light line, extremely light line, as light as your hair. The gap between these two lines is 8 millimeter. In this gap you have to write alphabet touching both the lines. These two lines are called guidelines. Top and bottom portion of I should not be very large, it should be small. Same thing with the J. Q should not go out. After Z, leave a little space and write 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 0. In 7, do not make the horizontal line in between. So these are all 8 mm high letters. Then once again leave a space of 10 millimeter and mark a dot. Then leave a space and 5 millimeter and mark a dot. Draw the lines, very light lines. This is 5 millimeter, and once again repeat the alphabet same way. Okay, again leave 10 millimeter gap and then 3 millimeter after 10 millimeter draw a light line this is 3 millimeter, and repeat the same. Same thing whatever you written on the top. After this,